Hello everyone, my name is Kevin, and in this opportunity this demo will be short. I am just going to mention different aspects of the 3D world reconstruction, and it's like that the company Apple just released a source code where you can just submit a picture and have a 3D reconstruction using Gaussian splatting, and you don't have to use 2 or 3 or 4 pictures. You just have to submit one picture, and in less than 10 seconds you will have a Gaussian splatting perfectly functional. In other hand, as you can see here, I want to highlight some aspects using AI agents. In this case, using a single picture. The idea is to analyze the view synthesis using just one picture, and in this opportunity, using specifically the payment version of Nano Banana, you can see here that the video has a good quality, good rendering, and also very soft movements that at the same time it's pretty good. But for example, if you try to make some pre-processing in this video, actually you will not have a good Gaussian splatting result. So it means that most of the AI agents, and I have to highlight that Nano Banana is one of the best, at least for video generation, has some weak aspect. In this case, you cannot have a 3D Gaussian splatting perfectly functional using these AI agents. In other hand, using some open source code like Pano2Room, it's a code I think released 1.5 years ago. We can have here like the final result of some views generated by computer. It means that it doesn't use any camera parameters or some camera devices here. And beside of the noise and maybe some bad quality of some frames, most of the frames have a good 3D immersion. That's the main point here. So at the same time, if we use ML#, the Apple code, we can see here that we have some problems at the moment to try to interact with the Gaussian splatting. For example, in Blender, if we rotate some scenarios or some objects, we can detect some holes. That it means that we don't have enough cloud points to render that part of the image. But if we use some source code like GetWarp to generate new angles, we can have some good results here. Finally, for example, if I open Blender, again, the code of Apple, in this case is ML#, has a good result here at the moment to interact with Blender application, and also to try to interact with the scenario itself. So in summary, this is a good opportunity to make a pipeline, to try to submit videos, and also to have some outputs to show some historical changes. So like for example, if we want to highlight some changes in a construction or some objects in progress. So I think this technology is perfectly useful to do that, and thank you so much.